Cash App without a bank account? Here's the lowdown. Ever heard of someone splitting the bill with Cash App? Maybe you saw a friend using it to instantly send money to their roommate. But what if you don't have a traditional bank account? Fear not, financially free spirit. Cash App can still be your financial companion. That's right, you can use most of Cash App's features without ever needing a bank account. So, how exactly does this financial magic trick work? Let's dive in. Cash App 101, a mobile hub, not a bank. First things first, Cash App isn't a bank itself. It's a mobile app that acts as a financial hub, allowing you to send, receive, and manage your money digitally. Think of it like a digital wallet that connects to your bank account, if you have one, and other financial tools. But the beauty lies in its accessibility. You don't need a bank account to sign up and use core Cash App features. Funding your Cash App castle, where does the money come from? Without a bank account, how do you get money into your Cash App? Here's where Cash App gets creative. Here are your ammo choices for your digital wallet. Cash deposit at participating retailers. This might surprise you, but you can actually walk into specific stores, think Walmart or CVS, and deposit actual cash into your Cash App balance. The store acts as a middleman, converting your paper bills into digital currency within your app. A friend's helping hand. Need a quick cash infusion? Cash App allows transfers directly between users. So, if a buddy is feeling generous or owes you for that last pizza, they can send money straight to your Cash App. The power of direct deposit. Even without a bank account, you might be able to get your paycheck or other direct deposits routed to your Cash App. This feature utilizes Cash App's unique routing and account number, allowing employers or other institutions to send money electronically. Double-check with your employer or provider to see if Cash App deposits are accepted. Spending power, unleashing your Cash App balance. All right, your Cash App wallet is loaded. Time to spend. Here's how you can put your virtual funds to good use. Cash App Pay at stores. Many stores now accept Cash App Pay, a feature that lets you use your Cash App balance to pay contactless at checkout. Just tap your phone on the reader, and voila! No plastic card needed. Sending money like a boss. As mentioned earlier, Cash App excels at peer-to-peer transfers. Need to pay your rent share or split a dinner tab? Cash App lets you send money to anyone with a cash tag, their unique username on the app. The Cash App card, your not-so-secret weapon. This is where things get interesting. Cash App offers a free debit card linked to your Cash App balance. You can use this card anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in stores. It's like having a physical extension of your digital wallet. No bank account needed. Keep in mind, fees and limitations. While Cash App offers fantastic flexibility without a bank account, there are a few things to keep in mind. Transaction fees. Certain transactions, like sending money from a linked credit card or withdrawing funds instantly, might incur fees. Be sure to check Cash App's fee structure before making a move. Spending limits. Without a linked bank account, you might have limitations on how much money you can send, receive, or withdraw from your Cash App balance. These limits help Cash App manage risk and ensure responsible use of the platform. Cash App, a stepping stone or a standalone solution? So, is Cash App without a bank account a permanent solution or just a stepping stone? The answer depends on your financial needs and goals. Cash App offers incredible convenience and accessibility, but it might not be suitable for everyone. If you deal with large sums of money regularly or need advanced banking features like check writing or bill pay, a traditional bank account might still be necessary. However, Cash App can be a fantastic financial tool for anyone who wants to manage their money digitally, build a budget, and avoid traditional bank fees. It's a great way to break into the world of digital finance, even if you don't have a bank account yet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.